Things were a little bit tough yesterday. I mean, not that tough, but like the issue with my drone, and then I almost lost my GoPro at King Beach. I honestly thought it was gone because I dropped it in the rumbling mess that with all those huge waves, and but no, yeah, someone picked it up for me. So yeah, no, that was good. But then in the end, I was not really productive in terms of taking shots. So today has already been much better. I took my Ronin S with me, so this is good. I took some shots of fishermen working on their boat, even a farmer working on his land. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. And now I am at Diamond Beach, right behind me. Whoa, yeah, that was really good. It's so beautiful here. So actually the beach where I swam was Atu Beach, sorry, and it's just on the other side of Diamond Beach. You probably saw it on the drone footage. So it is so hot here. I'm sweating like crazy, but it took me quite a while to go down both beaches and back up, and I got a lot of different shots, so I'm happy with that, but it took me a long time. So now finally off to the next destination, which is Alright, Broken Beach, another beautiful spot of Nusa Penida. Now it's almost 4 p.m. and I realized I haven't had lunch yet. So I don't feel like eating something warm. It's so hot here. So I think I want something fresh, like a salad. I think I'm gonna, yeah, I want a fruit salad. It's not just the beach that is broken, it's the road too. You sell fruits? Fruits, mango, banana.
You can follow this route.
Yeah.
You go into there and you go until the bottom there. It's near the harbor.
Near the harbor.
Have the traditional market. I think it's already still open.
Oh, okay.
And then you can find it after some fruit there and then some food at the bottom one.
Thank you.
Yeah. Here already closed because I have the ceremony here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Terima kasih. Hello, banana airplane.